Welcome back, students. Aromatic hydrocarbons introductory part is over, where we have defined aromatic hydrocarbons, and then we have also studied the examples of aromatic hydrocarbons, then Huckel's rule, and also the isomerism in aromatic hydrocarbons. So today we have this part here, preparation of aromatic hydrocarbons. So let's start with the first method of preparation. To prepare aromatic hydrocarbon, and specifically in our syllabus we have benzene. That means here we are going to study the preparation of benzene from different methods. In that first one, preparation of benzene from sodium benzoate. Look here, this particular compound. If N is this sodium Na is not present here, and H is present here in place of Na, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? बेंजोइक एसिड. लेकिन वो H के जगह पे अभी यहाँ पे Na आ गया है, तो उसका नाम क्या हो गया? सोडियम बेंजोएट ester salt. Treat this sodium benzoate with a base, strong base, NaOH, and bond breaks here. In the molecule you get benzene. Now you get the byproduct, Na here and this Na, so Na2. And what is remaining now? 1 carbon and 3 oxygen, 1, 2 and 3 oxygen, so it will form Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, byproduct. So we got benzene from this first method. Second one is preparation of benzene from phenol. Now what is a phenol? When OH group is attached to benzene ring, then the compounds are called phenol. Look here, OH group attached to benzene ring. So how to obtain benzene from phenol? Treat with a metal zinc. Zinc having more affinity for oxygen, a metal and oxygen, a non-metal, they will form zinc oxide, and this hydrogen is transferred on this carbon atom, that will give you benzene. This is benzene. So third method now, preparation of benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. Look at this compound, benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic group we always get from sulfuric acid. That's why it is called benzene sulfonic acid. You easily carry out the hydrolysis here. Treat with one water molecule and bond breaks here. Hydrogen is transferred here on this carbon, और आपको क्या मिलेगा? बेंजीन एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Now very important reactant from which we can obtain benzene, and the name of this reactant is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride will treat with an alcohol. The name of this alcohol is ethanol, ethyl alcohol, 2 carbon atoms, and OH group. So ethyl alcohol, and what you get here, see, bond breaks here. Bond breaks here. You get CH3CHO. CH3CHO. So one hydrogen is remaining here, which will be transferred on this carbon atom, giving you benzene. So you get CH3CHO, benzene. What is remaining now? Bond breaks here, N2, gaseous state. And one more H is remaining here. That H and Cl will form HCl. So the reaction is balanced. And the fifth reaction already we have studied in this chapter only. So acetylene, 3 molecules of acetylene will add to each other, 3 molecules, and we get a cyclic compound which is called benzene. Okay, so simple reaction they have written here. 3 acetylene molecules will give you benzene ring. So the conditions, wherever I write the conditions on the arrow, that time one thing must be very clear, that that particular condition for that particular reaction is compulsory to write. Okay, it is compulsory to write. Now the next part of the chapter, of course in the text, after the methods of preparation you get physical properties. So we need not go in detail now, because I told you that physical properties you have to study solubility, their physical state, their melting boiling point, higher low, whatever reason I have given, that you have to keep in mind. अभी यहाँ पे आते हैं रिएक्शंस, ये लास्ट पार्ट है चैप्टर का. रिएक्शंस में फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ रिएक्शन है एडिशन रिएक्शन. एडिशन मतलब कुछ ऐड हो रहा है ना, किसको ऐड होगा अभी बेंजीन. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन कौन सा कंसीडर करेंगे, बेंजीन. तो पहला एडिशन रिएक्शन देखते हैं, बेंजीन ट्रीटेड विद और एडेड टू, और हाइड्रोजन एडेड टू बेंजीन. ओके, so 3 hydrogen molecules get added to 3 double bond. Okay, and you get a saturated ring. यहाँ saturated है ना, और ये क्या है, saturated ring है, double bond नहीं है. तो आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे एक saturated ring मिलता है, इसका नाम है साइक्लोहेक्सेन. सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड मतलब अल्केन. यहाँ पे एक साइक्लिक रिंग है, इसलिए साइक्लोहेक्सेन 6 कार्बन एटम्स in presence of nickel catalyst. Please keep in mind, hydrogenation reaction are always carried out in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst. So यहाँ पे आपको catalyst लिखना बहुत important है. Second addition reaction है addition of ozone to benzene. Very important reaction, addition of ozone. O3. कितने डबल बॉन्ड है बेंजीन में, 3 डबल बॉन्ड है. तो कितने मॉलिक्यूल ओजोन के रिक्वायर्ड है, 3. तो तीनों ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल will get added across, okay, will get added across the 3 double bonds in benzene, and you get this intermediate which is very unstable. इसका नाम है ओजोनाइड. इसका नाम है बेंजीन ट्राइओजोनाइड intermediate, which is very unstable. Unstable intermediate can be immediately hydrolyzed. So you add 3 ozone molecules are added, so you add 3 water molecules here. Okay, and what you get, the entire intermediate breaks up, decompose. Okay, and it will give you 3 molecules of glyoxal. Look at this particular compound here. Name of this compound is glyoxal. Al means aldehyde. CHO, single bond CHO, glyoxal, and if OH group would have been here, उसको बोलते हैं glycol. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे आपको ये समझना है कि glyoxal मतलब बॉन्ड कैसे ब्रेक होता है. In this ozone and how the bonds are breaking, so that you get a glyoxal 3 molecules and hydrogen peroxide. So look here, show the decomposition of ozonide molecule properly. It is also given in your text. Okay, so understand how we get this particular molecules. Look here. So first I show like this, the bond breaking here. See, CH देखो यहाँ पे CH और 2 ऑक्सीजन चाहिए ना, CHO C. CHO bond breaks here. This molecule gets separated, that is first molecule. Similarly, you get here also and here also. Understood? So 3 glyoxal molecules are getting. Now what is remaining here? You have added 3 water molecules and also 3 oxygen atom will be remaining here from this intermediate, that is first one here, second one here, this one, and third one here. That will get added to water, 3 molecules of water, and it will give you a byproduct peroxide. The name of this compound is hydrogen peroxide. So reaction is balanced. Now in one of the reactant, an atom or a group of atoms are replaced or substituted by another atom or group, that the reactions are called substitution reactions. First reaction in this category is halogenation. Halogenation मतलब क्या? Reaction of halogen with benzene. Okay, now what is the reaction? You take benzene, one molecule of chlorine Cl2. So hydrogen which is present here and one Cl will form HCl. Okay, and second Cl gets added to this carbon atom where the hydrogen is substituted. So you get chlorobenzene. You get a compound here, substituted product, chlorobenzene. Second substitution reaction is called nitration reaction. For nitration reaction, always we are using the reactant or reagent nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3 you can write like this also, HONO2, to understand easily. HONO2 means what you have in here, this bond breaks here, NO2 groups gets added to this benzene on this carbon atom and hydrogen gets substituted. So you get nitrobenzene and the hydrogen which is substituted from here and this OH will form water. Reaction therefore is balanced. So you have to take care that the reaction should be balanced. And last two main reactions we have here. Okay, it is a name reaction after the name of this particular scientist, Friedel Crafts. So we have to study two reactions here for benzene. Very important. In 12th standard also this is very important. तो आपको ध्यान देना है. First one is Friedel Crafts. Friedel Crafts. Alkylation. Okay, Friedel Crafts alkylation reaction को देखते हैं. You take benzene. Okay, benzene and you add alkyl halide. Take methyl chloride and very important is this catalyst anhydrous aluminum chloride. आपको लिखना ही है, कंपलसरी है, very important. So aluminum chloride anhydrous means no water molecules are there in AlCl3. So benzene you treat with methyl chloride and you get this particular compound CH3 and one H from here is substituted and this HCl will form Cl will form HCl. So you get this compound. Now the name of this compound is क्या नाम? Methyl benzene. Methyl benzene. ये रिएक्शन को अल्काइलेशन रिएक्शन इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि benzene ring, okay, in this benzene ring hydrogen is substituted by alkyl group, that is methyl group. That's why it is called alkylation reaction. Okay, and the last reaction is acylation. Acylation reaction क्या होता है? Look here. Friedel Crafts acylation reaction. This compound here is called acetyl chloride or acyl chloride. This group is called acyl group. Acyl. Okay, it is called acyl group. So what will happen here? H from here and this Cl will form HCl. So what you get here? The main product is COCH3 gets added to this carbon. Okay, and we get this compound which is called acetophenone. Acetophenone. रिएक्शन को अभी यहाँ पे भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि रिएक्शन को acylation reaction क्यों बोलते हैं, क्योंकि in this benzene hydrogen atom is substituted by acyl group. Acyl group. That's why it is called Friedel Crafts acylation reaction. Again the catalyst is anhydrous aluminum chloride. So dear students, these were the reactions in the chemical properties of aromatic hydrocarbon. Once again, to remind you physical properties and uses for benzene. Okay, directly you can study from my notes. Okay, so today we complete this chapter also, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so next lecture you will get the PDF and the lectures for our new chapter from section 1. Okay, so that will come to know when I start with the chapter, that new chapter. So just watch this video carefully and understand the explanation. Refer your notes simultaneously when you watch the video. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll continue next time.